SBA Publications.
Hello my dear kids, in your today's class we are going to learn the topic articles, that is from your chapter number 8. So let's start at B without any delay. Here we have, let's learn, look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. Here you have to look the picture and you have to read the given sentences. A lion lives in the forest. You have to just keep in your mind the colored one words. An eagle is a bird of prey. I am an elephant. The elephant is big. Okay? So, these are your sentences. The word a and the are called articles. Here, we have some words that is a and the. We can call them articles. Okay? We use them before noun. इनको हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? नाउन से पहले. Okay? And I don't think so that I have to repeat that what is noun. All the naming words will call noun. Okay? So, these are the three article words that always used before the nouns. Okay? Students, just see. These are some, small grammar concept that you have to keep in your mind so that whenever you will move towards your next classes, it will make your grammatical portion strong. Okay? So, when I used to repeat the concept, you have to keep all the concept in your mind. As I told you that before noun we use the word articles. Okay? So, we use a and before singular countable nouns. हम a और and का use singular countable noun से पहले करते हैं. We use a with word begin a consonant sound such as a tiger, a bicycle, a beautiful umbrella, a dog, a table, a book, etc. When any word is going to be start with any consonant, so we will use the word a. Means the article a. Clear? जब कोई भी वर्ड नाउन का कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट हो रहा होता है तो उससे पहले हम क्या लगाएंगे? अगर हमें आर्टिकल पुट करना है तो अ. ओके? As you can see here, so many examples are given. Next, we use an with word that begins with a vowel sound such as an umbrella, an eagle, an angry man, an orange, an ice cream, etc. Clear? So, whenever any word is going to be started with a vowels, जब कोई भी word vowel से start हो रहा है, so before that we will put here an. Okay? So, an is an article that we always use with our 5 respective vowels. And what is our 5 respective vowels? That will be A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so any word is going to be start with a vowel, so without any delay you will put the N. Clear? Next, you can see here, look at these words. A unicorn, a uniform, a European. Okay? Thought the first letter in all of these words is a vowel. The words gives consonant sound of U. अब आप देखिए इसमें जितने भी वर्ड्स आपको ऊपर दिए हुए हैं, अ यूनिकॉर्न, अ यूनिफॉर्म, अ यूरोप, इसमें आपको देखना है कि वर्ड से पहले क्या पुट किया हुआ है? ए. Why they are putting A? Because the word is giving you the sound of U, not A. Okay? So we use A before such words. Whenever any word is giving you the sound like the same words, without any delay, you people will write there an article. Clear? Now, look at at the following. Here you have to look at the following as an honest boy. Now if you will say, ma'am, here if we will read this word, so it is written here and it is written here, then why we are putting here an? यहाँ पर तो वर्ड हमारा एच से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, इधर भी एच से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो फिर हम यहाँ पे एन क्यों पुट करें? बिकॉज बेसिकली दे आर गिविंग यू द साउंड ऑफ ओ, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर पुटिंग हियर एन. I told you that these are the some a small concept that you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so this is the concept that you have to just keep in your mind. Okay, next one is, through the first letter in our honest is a consonant. The word begin with a vowel sound. This is because letter H is silent here. क्योंकि यहाँ पर H का sound नहीं आ रहा है. Okay. Next is, and these words begin with O. ये हमें कौन सा sound दे रहे हैं? O sound दे रहे हैं. Okay. So we use N in such cases. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या use कर रहे हैं? And use कर रहे हैं. Okay. Now we are moving towards the topic the. अब हम कहाँ move करने के लिए जा रहे हैं? The की तरफ. When we talk about a particular person or thing, जब हम किसी एक person, एक thing के बारे में बात करते हैं, for example, the principal, the general manager, etc. Means if we are talking about some renewable person, or we can say respective person, ठीक है, किसी भी known to personality के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, known to designation के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, so we will put there the. Clear? When there is only one of its kind in the world, for example, the king, the Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the sun, the sky. जब कोई एक चीज जो एक ही है उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं तो भी हम the ही पुट करेंगे. ठीक है, जैसे किंग एक ही होता है, ताजमहल अभी तक एक ही है, दूसरा तो मिला नहीं हमें, और रिवर द गंगा पर्टिकुलर एक रिवर का नेम है तो हम द लगा रहे हैं. ठीक है, सन एंड स्काई. When we talk or write about something that is already spoken about, for example, there was a fox. The fox was very hungry. जब हम किसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो ऑलरेडी हमारी बातचीत में चल रही है, उसके आगे भी हम द लगाएंगे. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज विद टाइम. टाइम के साथ में भी हम द पुट करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन द मॉर्निंग, in the evening, in the afternoon, etc. Clear? Now look at these sentences. आइए अब हम इन sentences को देखें. First one is, there is a book on the table, or before the book, because book is going to be starting with the consonants, and the is particular thing. Okay. Second is, the English book is on the table. So English is a subject, and before that we will put here the, and table is the name of a thing. Okay, that's why they are putting here the. Next is, in the first sentence a book can mean any book. अब अगर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस की बात करें तो वहां पर उसने क्या दिया हमें? a book, मतलब कोई भी बुक. They are not giving us any name, that's why we are writing there a. Yes, if they will write there the Rabindranath Tagore book or the Gita we can say, so we will put there the. अगर वो बुक का नेम मेंशन करेंगे तो हम वहाँ पे द लगाएंगे. If they are not giving us any name तो हम वहाँ पे simply क्या लगाएंगे? a. Clear? Next, where we were? Yes, the word the in the table, however, make it clear that we are referring to a particular table. अब टेबल के साथ उन्होंने द क्यों पुट किया? क्योंकि इससे वो क्लियर कर रहे हैं कि वो पर्टिकुलर एक टेबल के बारे में बात करना चाह रहे हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट, इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस द इंग्लिश बुक रेफर टू अ पर्टिकुलर बुक विच इज केप्ट ऑन द टेबल. अब नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस में वो बता रहे हैं कि वो पर्टिकुलर इंग्लिश बुक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो टेबल पे रखी गई है. क्लियर? नाउ these are the fill-ups that you have to do. Fill in the blanks with a, an and the. I ate an apple because apple is going to be start with a vowels. Simple. So we will write here an. Okay. Rest of the fill in the blanks you will do by yourself. I hope that the concept is going to be clear you. If you people will do the practice of these blanks, so the concept will become more clear to you. Next we have fill in the blanks with a, an and the. Same. Last Sunday we went to attend a party. Okay. Up. They are talking about again the party. So they will, this time we will write here the. Okay. Because as I gave you the example of that fox one, na? So in that sentence, if you remember, they are mentioning here the for second time. If the point is not in your mind, so you can go through with the video again. Okay. So in the same way, you will complete rest of the part of your question number B. Now we are moving towards your question C. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. The same way, dash as was tied. So we will write here an. Okay. An ass was tied to the tree with the rope. Clear? So, rest of the blanks you will do by yourself. So, my dear students, in this class, we will learn this much only. I hope that the concept of a, an and da has been clear to you very well. Okay, if you are facing any issues or you are just going to be confused with any concept, so you can go through with the video again. I'll meet you in your next class with a new topic. Meanwhile, take care of yourself. Keep on doing the practice. Goodbye.